How Tor works, the journey of a data packet. To understand how Tor achieves anonymity, let's follow a single data request. Say, you want to visit a website through the Tor browser. The moment you enter the Tor network, your data is encrypted multiple times and sent through a randomly selected entry node. This node, also called a guard node, is the first step in your journey. The entry node knows your real IP address, meaning it can see where the request is coming from. However, it does not know your final destination, the website you are trying to access. This ensures that even if someone were monitoring the entry node, they could only see that you are using Tor, not what you are doing inside the network. Once inside, the request travels deeper into the Tor circuit, bouncing between multiple middle nodes. These relay nodes act as blind couriers. They receive your encrypted data, peel away one layer of encryption, and send it to the next node. Each relay only knows the node it received the data from, and the node it is forwarding the data to. However, it has no idea where the data originally came from, or where it will eventually end up. At this point, no single server has enough information to trace the complete path of the request. After traveling through multiple relays, the request reaches its final destination, the exit node. This is the last stop before your data leaves the Tor network and connects to the open internet. The exit node removes the final layer of encryption, revealing the original request, for example, accessing a website. The website you are visiting only sees the IP address of the exit node, not your real IP address. Your location, identity, and original IP remain completely hidden. This layered process, encrypting data at every step and routing it randomly, creates an ultra-secure, anonymous network. The term onion routing comes from this method, where each layer of encryption is peeled away at different stages, much like an onion. Tor serves as a shield against surveillance in an era where every click, search, and transaction is tracked. Different people use Tor for different reasons. Privacy advocates and regular users, those who simply want to browse without being tracked by advertisers, ISPs, or governments. Journalists and whistleblowers, reporters working in oppressive regimes rely on Tor to communicate securely with sources. People in countries with strict censorship laws use Tor to bypass government restrictions and access information freely. Ironically, the very agencies that track cybercrime also use Tor for undercover investigations and intelligence gathering. Many use Tor to access .onion sites, which are hidden from the regular internet. While some are legitimate forums and markets, others host illegal activities. Despite its power, Tor is not invincible. It has its drawbacks. Slow speeds. Because your traffic bounces between multiple relays worldwide, Tor is much slower than a regular internet connection. This makes it unsuitable for activities like video streaming or high-speed downloads. The exit node vulnerability. Although Tor encrypts traffic within its network, the exit node decrypts the data before sending it to the final destination. This means, if a website you visit is unencrypted, HTTP instead of HTTPS, a malicious exit node can intercept and read your data. This is why security experts recommend never entering sensitive information like passwords or banking details over Tor unless using HTTPS. Government and ISP blocking. Some countries, such as China and Russia, have worked aggressively to block Tor connections or penalize those who use it. However, Tor developers have created bridges and obfuscation tools to help users bypass such censorship. Association with criminal activity. Although Tor was created for privacy and security, it has been widely associated with illegal marketplaces, drug trafficking, and cybercrime. This has led to increased scrutiny and surveillance of Tor users, even if they are using it legally. Tor represents both hope and controversy in the digital age. It is a powerful tool for freedom of expression and anonymity, but also a gateway for criminal activity. Governments and law enforcement agencies continue to develop ways to crack it, while privacy advocates fight to keep it alive. The battle between privacy and surveillance is ongoing, and Tor remains at the center of this fight. For now, it remains one of the best tools available for those who seek to reclaim their digital anonymity.